Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P0571 refers to a fault within the brake pedal position switch circuit, indicating a malfunction that can arise from various underlying issues. This error is detected when the powertrain control module, PCM, identifies that the brake pedal position signal is incompatible with the actual operation of the brake pedal under certain driving conditions. The brake pedal position switch is crucial for relaying the position of the brake pedal to the vehicle's electronic systems, affecting functions such as cruise control and safety mechanisms. It is typically located on the brake pedal assembly and serves to ensure that the vehicle knows when the brakes are applied. If the brake pedal is not pressed correctly, or if the switch malfunctions, the PCM will store the DTC to prompt further inspection. Important components in this scenario include the brake pedal position switch, the PCM, and various associated wiring and circuits. A secondary note is that pressing the accelerator while lightly holding the brake for over 5 minutes can also trigger this DTC, indicating the importance of understanding the relationship between accelerator and brake actions in vehicle diagnostics. The DTC P0571 is characterized by a malfunction of the brake pedal position switch, which is pivotal in determining whether the brake is applied. This component sends an electronic signal to the PCM regarding the position of the brake pedal. An inconsistent signal from this switch under specific driving conditions leads the PCM to classify it as abnormal, thus storing the DTC in memory. The brake pedal position switch is typically situated on the brake pedal assembly, directly responsible for moment-to-moment feedback to the vehicle's control systems. Variations in signal detected during braking may manifest from wear and tear, electrical failures, or improper installation of the switch itself. Understanding the operational environment of this switch is vital as it interacts with other systems, enhancing the vehicle's safety features and performance. Additionally, the tension and calibration of the brake pedal impact the effectiveness of this switch, ultimately affecting the vehicle's ability to control braking functions. The potential causes of DTC P0571 can generally be categorized into 3 areas: mechanical failure, wiring integrity, and the PCM itself. First, a failure of the brake pedal position switch itself is a common culprit, possibly due to internal wear or improper installation. Second, electrical wiring issues often lead to poor signal transmission, which can include short circuits, open circuits, or frayed connections that disrupt the communication between the switch and the PCM. The third main area of concern is the PCM failure, which, while less common, can result from hardware malfunctions or corruption of firmware. When the PCM fails to read the brake pedal position accurately, it reacts incorrectly, ultimately storing the DTC code as a flag for inspection. This malfunction highlights the relevance of a thorough inspection process to diagnose the actual cause of the issue effectively. Accurately determining which of these potential problems is at play is critical for proper repair. Symptoms associated with DTC P0571 may manifest in several critical ways that affect both vehicle operation and safety. One prominent symptom is the malfunction of the brake lights. If the brake pedal position switch is faulty, the brake lights might not illuminate when the pedal is pressed, or may remain on when the pedal is not engaged. This could lead to safety hazards on the road, as other drivers may be unaware of your intentions to stop. Another significant symptom is issues with cruise control functionality, as the system often relies on accurate readings from the brake pedal position switch to deactivate when brakes are applied. Inconsistent braking response may also be experienced, the vehicle may not respond reliably to brake inputs, leading to potential safety concerns. These symptoms serve as warning signs, suggesting that a deeper inspection of the brake pedal system is necessary. Being aware of these symptoms is essential for any driver to ensure that the vehicle operates safely once the DTC is cleared. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0571 involves preparing the vehicle for diagnostic checks by turning the ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This step activates the vehicle's electrical systems and prepares the diagnostic equipment for inspection. Next, utilizing a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, the technician should monitor the brake switch value while pressing and releasing the brake pedal. This procedure is crucial, as it permits the technician to determine whether the signals sent by the brake pedal position switch to the PCM are functioning correctly. If the values observed during this inspection do not change as the pedal operates, it indicates a failure in the signaling process. Such a condition may necessitate further investigation into the brake pedal position switch or associated wiring. This initial check is imperative to help isolate the fault early in the troubleshooting process, reducing unnecessary diagnostic time and effort. The second troubleshooting step focuses on the brake pedal position switch itself, one of the prime suspects in DTC P0571 cases. Begin by performing a brake pedal position switch test to assess its functionality and ensure that it generates the correct signals under various conditions. If the test indicates that the switch is not sending the appropriate signals, it may need adjustment or replacement. In some cases, the switch might not be properly installed, which can lead to miscommunication with the PCM regarding the brake pedal's position. Implementing this step often requires attention to detail, as even minor misalignments can result in significant signal errors. Once the switch has been tested, it is imperative to reinstall it correctly, ensuring all components are properly secured and aligned to facilitate accurate reads. By addressing the switch at this stage, technicians can resolve what is often the most direct problem, leading to the stored DTC effectively. Continuing with the troubleshooting process for DTC P0571, the third step emphasizes the integrity of the +B stop circuit. Start this inspection by ensuring that the circuit provides the correct voltage to the brake pedal position switch. This inspection typically involves checking with a multimeter to verify that the circuit operates within specified voltage limits, usually around 12 volts. Both the power supply and the circuit routing should be checked for signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnections. Any anomalies in voltage readings may indicate a fault within the circuit that prevents the switch from functioning properly, which in turn would lead to issues in communicating with the PCM. It is essential to eliminate any electrical connectivity problems at this stage, as they may often be overlooked but are crucial for system operation. Establishing a robust power connection will facilitate effective switch operation and help resolve the DTC more efficiently. Step 4 in the troubleshooting process involves a thorough inspection of the stop SW circuit, which is integral to the functionality of the brake pedal system. It is crucial to disconnect the specified connectors first, including the brake pedal position switch connector, PCM connector, and any body control module connections to accurately assess the circuit integrity. Utilizing a multimeter, conduct tests to confirm whether there is a short circuit to ground or power, as well as verifying the circuit is open. Any readings indicating a lesser than 1 ohm resistance or more than 1 mega ohm resistance will indicate faults that need to be addressed. Document any irregularities, as they will guide the next steps in your repair strategy. Understanding the conditions that lead to problems in the stop SW circuit is vital. as it can significantly influence brake pedal response and vehicle safety. Addressing these insights during the inspection ensures a comprehensive evaluation of the braking system. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P0571 centers around inspecting the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module. This involves verifying that all other inspection items show normal conditions before concluding that the PCM may be at fault. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle's various control systems, interpreting signals from components such as the brake pedal position switch to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly. Its prior inspections have ruled out the brake pedal position switch and wiring as causes. Technician attention should shift to confirming the PCM's function and looking for potential malfunctions. Diagnostics may involve running specific tests to assess inputs and outputs, ensuring they align with expected values. In instances where the PCM is confirmed to be the cause of the DTC, it may necessitate a reprogramming or replacement to restore the precise communication between components. Thorough recognition of potential PCM issues must not be overlooked, as they play a central role in vehicle safety and operation. After successfully executing the above troubleshooting steps, the subsequent stage involves performing a final repair verification. This begins by clearing any stored DTC codes using the HDS, ensuring the vehicle's diagnostic memory is fresh and ready for new inputs. Following this procedure, it is essential to carry out a test drive of the vehicle under various driving conditions to adequately observe the functionality of the brake system and the performance of the brake pedal position switch. During the test drive, pay particular attention to response times and the behavior of the brake lights to ensure they operate in harmony with brake pedal engagement. This real-world evaluation is vital, as it helps confirm that the previous issues have been resolved and that the system is functioning accurately. Observing a clean slate of DTC codes post-test drive will signal effective troubleshooting and repair. Document your findings and ensure the vehicle operates safely. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0571, it is prudent to implement a strategy of proactive maintenance. Regular checks of the brake system, including the brake pedal position switch, should be conducted as part of routine vehicle maintenance services. Inspecting wiring connections for any signs of wear or corrosion is essential. This can prevent issues related to poor electrical connectivity or signal transmission that often lead to DTC errors. Following manufacturers' recommendations and service intervals can ensure the longevity and reliable performance of braking components. As part of preventive practices, drivers should also remain observant of any unusual symptoms, such as erratic brake light behavior or inconsistent braking performance, and address them promptly. Regular maintenance helps in early identification of potential issues, thereby reducing repair costs and enhancing vehicle safety over time. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0571 and its implications is critical for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. This error code is related to the brake pedal position switch circuit malfunction, and it's vital to systematically diagnose and resolve the underlying issues. Effective troubleshooting involves inspecting the brake pedal position switch, associated wiring, and the PCM, ensuring that each component functions as intended. But attention to detail during diagnostics can significantly reduce repair time and enhance operational safety for the vehicle. Additionally, implementing preventative maintenance offers a proactive approach that may help in avoiding similar issues down the line, ensuring that the vehicle remains reliable. Recognizing the interconnectedness of these components emphasizes the importance of thorough inspections to uphold safe driving standards in Honda CR-V models moving forward. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.